What's up, everyone? So, yesterday it was announced that El Nido would go into like a proper full lockdown. We were already here for a few days, but everyone was still free to do everything as normal. But yesterday they announced that we would have to stay in quarantine at home. That's what the document said anyway. So the document was just saying that there'd be no like island hopping tours, stuff like that. I think there's supposed to be no transport around, like tricycles, the scooters or anything. And it pretty much just said that you're only allowed in the street for necessities. So like the supermarket, the hospitals would be open, things like that. And we're really not sure how it's going to be. We just woke up and today's going to be like the first official day in quarantine. But we still got to go out and get food and stuff. And we've actually checked into this new place, kind of like a little apartment, I guess. It's called Fisheye, and we're paying about $20 a night. I think this is usually over $100, but yeah, everywhere is kind of lowering the prices and stuff. And a lot of places are closing down, a lot of hotels. So yeah, this place stayed open. We're also neighbors with a couple of other travel vloggers called Delightful Travelers. So yeah, you'll probably see them soon. So this is the place here. It is quite spacious. How you doing, Carol?
Hello.
Got a nice bed and stuff. TV that has Netflix and all that. And it is a AC room. Then through this slide door here, you have a pretty modern looking bathroom. So there is no real time frame for this quarantine period. It's just until they give us further notice. So I know in a lot of countries it's 2 weeks, but that hasn't been like clarified properly here. So it could be longer. We've booked this place for 2 weeks. Yeah, we just wanted a real comfortable place, and the internet's awesome, which is kind of a must for us right now in quarantine. If we're going to be stuck at home, need to have good internet. What?
Most important, there's Netflix.
Netflix, yeah, that's what I said. So yeah, we've got internet and Netflix, so if we're stuck in this room here,
Not bad.
not bad. Yeah, that will help us survive.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just gonna head out now, probably film a bit of the street and see what El Nido looks like under quarantine. Should be pretty crazy. Hello.
Alright.
Here we got one of the Delightful Travelers.
Me. Crazy times, man.
Yeah.
Crazy times.
So you went out this morning and you said it still looked kind of normal?
Yeah, I went out. The boutique shop right next to us is open, like selling bathing suits and all that stuff. The restaurant down the street is completely open, and there was takeaway. But there's people, there's locals on the street. That's essentially it in a nutshell.
So right now we kind of don't know what the hell's going on at all.
I have no idea. I guess that's what we're gonna do. Maybe you said already, but we're just gonna go out and walk around the town, try to read the room, and go from there. But there's definitely people outside, so
Yeah.
kind of the opposite of what the letter said. But I don't know.
Just have to see how it is.
Yeah, we'll see how it is, right? So
Yep.
that's like that shop completely open.
That one there.
Yeah, it's like a boutique.
Still got tricycles as well. No, thank you.
That's like I don't get it.
So you can see on this road, this is one of the main roads, and yeah, this part is a ghost town right now. So all the smoothie stores, the restaurants seem to be closed, but there's still some restaurants open.
Absolutely.
With tourists.
Yeah, more stuff is closed it seems, but I mean, there's taxi drivers around asking us.
Loads of taxi drivers.
We just saw some people get on a scooter. I'm positive they were going to a beach, so
Yeah. Oh, they seem to be closing now, the shutters. Yeah, so like I said before, it's hard to see how this is going to play out. Maybe over the next few days it's going to get stricter and stricter. But right now the locals are out and about, and they're still trying to take tourists to like Nakpan Beach and stuff. So yeah, we just have to see how it is. I'll probably show you some clips of this area though from last year, because yeah, if any of you guys have been to El Nido before, you'll know that this area here is chaos, and right now there ain't anybody here at all.
Turungan eh. Yeah, may kwan. May ano nga nila to?
No, thank you. I'm good, thank you. Alright, so we've just come down to the main beach here now. See some pretty nice views as well. And you can see all the people here just waiting for the tour. So we should be going soon. Yeah, I think there's definitely no boat rides.
We usually see some guys here telling, oh, boat tours, but there's nobody here. And also no boats maybe.
Yeah, no boats. There's also way less boats. Normally you'd see boats all around here, but they're pretty far out and there isn't that many. Yes, I think definitely the boat tours are stopped, even private tours, because there's no vendors or anything. So yeah, that is definitely a big difference. I think that place is closed as well, right?
Yeah.
Is that a restaurant?
That looks closed. I think it was open yesterday.
Yeah. Yeah, so this one's closed as well, but there's one over there that's open.
Could I get a fresh juice, the seasonal?
So we ended up coming to that restaurant with the beach view. So these guys got the omelet, right?
Cheese omelet.
Cheese omelet, and we got tuna pasta or spaghetti, whatever. Big portions. Yeah, very tasty.
And we're not the only ones here, huh?
Where to now?
I don't know. When I keep walking.
That's open as well?
Yeah, it looks like it.
So should we go to the market now? Get some
I think we should walk
fruit.
around a bit more,
Yeah.
see what's open, and then yeah, go to the market.
Yeah, let's do that. I still can't believe I'm seeing this beach like this though. It's just so crazy. So we're just gonna walk around the town a bit now, mainly to see what's open and what's not open, because yeah, for the next few weeks we need to know where we can go, right? But it is just so strange seeing all the streets like this. So this would be another one of the main streets here, but once again all you can see is just a few locals, a few tourists everywhere. They're open. Look at that name. So a lot of the locals are saying they don't really have the option to close because they're just living day by day pretty much. So it's not like us where we have a bit of savings, and the majority of the tourists are okay, right? But some of the locals living here, if they don't get that daily paycheck, like yeah, they're gonna be struggling. So that's really sad. Still got the tour shops open as well. That's weird. Beer, alcohol. A lot of people are gonna be buying that.
They're staying open.
Yeah,
I asked those
that's
guys.
gonna be what everybody's buying.
Yeah. First place I asked.
Yeah.
Happy hour! Happy, 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 or takeaway.
Coronavirus isn't bothering that guy.
Totally not. He's excited.
So check out this sign here. All tourists need to leave Philippines on or before March 19th. What does that say? Guests still need to fly out before the 19th. Go to Leo office. What's the date today?
The 18th. So that's tomorrow.
Alright, I guess we gotta leave today then.
Yeah.
Where to?
It's weird though, right? Because it's not like it sounds official, but it's just a tour company.
Yeah, tour
Has the name.
company.
And the government papers that we read, it doesn't really say that.
Well, one sheet says we gotta leave, and then another
Yeah.
sheet's accepting that a lot of tourists are gonna be stranded.
Yeah, and just if we're stuck and stranded, we have to just abide by the rules that the locals do, which is fine by us.
Yeah.
Very conflicting.
Yeah, it is confusing. So this street that we're on now would be the main busiest one, and yeah, there's only just a few vehicles going by. There was some military guys back there, so we were kind of like a bit nervous, but they didn't even look at us or even say anything at all, so I guess it's okay. And now we're just trying to find the market because we want to buy some fruit and stuff, just yeah, to stock up a bit. We've got a little mini fridge at home, so probably best that we get something. These guys have a kitchen as well, right?
Yeah, so we can do some cooking for the four of us. Maybe you guys can cook for us or something.
Yeah. I don't know if you're gonna want to eat my food.
Right, all right. Carol,
Maybe
better be a
Carol.
good cook.
Yeah. So yeah, we're just heading to the market or whatever, and we'll see what there is there. arrived at the food market here. No idea what they're gonna have here. We just want some bananas mainly, I think. What are you guys gonna get?
I don't know. If we're gonna cook, we can get some maybe garlic, some fruit.
Garlic
Maybe
fruit?
an onion or something. I don't know, I'm trying to think of like the most basic things to get just in case.
Easy things to cook, right?
Easy things to cook, yeah. Yeah, let's go check it out again.
So it says here banana 70, what is that per kilo? Can I get this? All these?
Yeah.
Alright, banana check. Wait, this? Alright, thank you. So we got the bananas here for 90, loads of bananas. What do you get?
Yeah, like, so we got onion, some garlic in case we make some pasta or something, sauce, and then we got a bunch of these. They're kind of like limes. Look how small they are, but we got like 10 or 12 of them. They only cost 60 pesos.
What are you gonna do with those?
We'll use them for drinks.
Oh, drinks.
Yeah, so
Alcohol.
like, you know, well, it could be alcohol.
Vodka
But,
and
yeah, vodka soda. But even just in sparkling water, soda water, these are great. But yeah, it only costs 60 pesos for the whole thing.
For the whole thing?
Yeah, so what does that cost? What's that? It's like
It's like just over $1.
like $1 USD.
Yeah. Loads of fruit here though. So we've now come into the supermarket nearby. What do we got here?
tuna.
Canned tuna. Tuna spread.
spread.
Yeah. Probably get some bread, right, for sandwiches.
And pasta.
Yeah, you got pasta here as well. So this place is still high on stock. No empty shelves here. You can see there's loads of food. Hello. Oh, very cool. Very cool. Hello. Trevor. So we're back at our place now. We ended up getting a tricycle. It's so hot out here right now. I think that was about 50 pesos. You probably saw all the Filipinos are still pretty friendly. It is pretty relaxed around here. So yeah, the Filipinos are still the Filipinos like they always are. And yeah, I don't think they're bothered by the tourists being here. They're treating us well. Nobody looks at us weird. So I think in general here in El Nido it's very calm still. Probably because there's been no cases reported in Palawan. So yeah, everything just seems kind of normal, just with no people, that's all. So we're back with Trevor and Anna again. I forgot to mention about the curfew.
Yeah, well,
Yeah. So
okay.
it's 7:30.
Yeah, time on the clock, guys. It's 7:30. We have a half hour
Until 8.
until
Get me
8.
home.
And then literally sirens go off.
There's
Yeah.
going to be sirens, and you'll probably see that at the end of the video, maybe. Well, everything has just changed. It's complete lockdown, and there are now sirens. What do you?
Go home, everybody. Go home.
This is crazy.
This is crazy.
All right. I mean, again, this is all preventative stuff. There's nothing to panic about, but everything has just changed. We send out updates, and it's completely changed.
Yep, nothing's to say.
What are we gonna do? Locked up? What are we,
Play cards.
we gonna play cards? Yeah.
Go back to your hotel.
There we go,
Thank you. Oh my. But we got some pad thai. We all got veggie stuff.
Yeah, it looks good. I think that was 225.
Yeah.
These guys got peanuts. I didn't because I'll die. More food
Thai
here.
vegetable, one plain rice,
Oh yeah, green curry.
and
Yeah.
then one pakruang.
Oh yeah, that's for sure. Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, is that the spring
Yeah,
rolls?
spring rolls to share. This looks really good. We can all
We got some green curry.
green curry, rice. I mean, we're doing well. We're just gonna have to eat quickly, maybe.
Yeah, we got like 25 minutes to gobble all this up. We're back at our place now. Yeah, we made it just in time for the 8 o'clock curfew. There were actually police guys with like torches saying, "Oh, where are you going?" But we just said, "Just to that place there." So it was fine. But yeah, it's definitely being taken seriously here. You can't go to any beaches and stuff. They've already shut down all the beaches. So this is pretty much how it's going to be for us for the next 2 weeks, a month. I don't know how long, right? we're really not going to be able to do anything. At max, just what we did today, just go for walks, maybe supermarkets, restaurants, if all those stay open. And hopefully we can still go for a little walk on the beach. There's nobody there, just keep sanity, right? And yeah, to stay healthy as well. A bit of the outdoors is good, right? It's not good to stay locked up for a month, so hopefully you can still go for just some little walks as long as you stay away from people, which isn't hard here because there's nobody around, so it's really easy to avoid people. So also I hope that everybody that's watching is okay, that nobody's in a difficult situation. If you want, drop a comment down below, tell me what country you're in and what's going on. Or if you're stuck, also tell me what country you're stuck in and stuff, because it's been interesting hearing everyone's story on Instagram and things like that. And a lot of you want me to keep making videos, like daily videos showing what we're doing. I think because there's no sports and stuff, a lot of people are probably bored looking for entertainment, but I'm not going to keep making videos of the same thing, only if there's a big change in my routine here. But like I said, for now I think this is going to be how it is for the next few weeks. But we will still be posting little things up on Instagram probably, and also the delightful travelers that we were with today, they're going to be posting videos and Instagram stuff about that. So yeah, if you want more just up-to-date stuff on a daily basis, then follow us both on Instagram. So yeah, like I said, I just hope everyone's doing good, stay safe out there, and I'll see you around.